car 5-20 from Hillsboro. In the Weaver's Garage sponsored car, it's Ryan Swissell. And making his way in right now, the final car for this heat, in car number 700, Hillsboro's